Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, here with another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. You know, we're getting to be a little more regular. Doing another one right behind the one we just got done with. Here I have a very limited edition kick-ass helmet graphic from our friends over at Alpine Stars. This is the Martinator Flight limited edition graphic. I've installed the included dark smoke shield on this helmet. Looks amazing. This is, without a doubt, a stunning graphic. We're going to give you guys a nice close-up look at it right now. As of the time we're shooting this retails for $1549.95. They're going to be in very short supply, so if you want one, get yours before they're gone. What does this bad boy come with? Well, you're going to get the helmet with the large spoiler installed. It's going to come with a clear screen installed, but it also includes a dark smoke screen. Alpine Stars also includes with this a smaller version of the spoiler. Let's be honest, I don't think anybody actually puts these on. Why would you want to take off the big spoiler that looks sick like you're MotoGP riding? To put on that little baby spoiler, but nonetheless, it's going to be in the helmet bag. It's in a little protective sleeve. Give you a quick look at your clear shield. That's actually the one that's going to come on the helmet when you order it. They include a pin lock insert that can be installed in either the dark smoke or the clear. If you're on track, you want to use some race tear-offs, you get one pack of those included at no charge. The premium helmet bag that you see here, also included with the helmet. And I know this isn't a helmet, and it's not included. These are the limited edition SuperTech RV2 Martinator boots. These are going to be live on the website as well. So if you want to match, right? You want to look like the Martinator himself, you can get replica boots, replica helmets, and you'll be MotoGP ready, guaranteed to take at least 2 seconds off of your previous best lap times.